The side markers on my Jeep in the OEM configuration stuck out like a sore thumb. I mean, come on, this is a Secret Squirrel. That's more like it. These are the Morimoto XB LED Smoked side markers. They're effectively a white reflector instead of the orange, so you want to check with your local laws to see if these are okay for you and your jurisdiction. This is the third video in my series of lighting upgrades by Morimoto, and the last lighting upgrade for some time. These install with one screw and are genuinely plug and play. There are 2 clips and a bolt to take out of the fender well, and you're off to the races. I'll come back to this in a minute, but this is what you're looking for. The screw is basically in line with the center of the light, and when you put it back together, you want to make sure that the wires run under the little bracket that the screw goes into. If it goes over, there won't be enough room to plug it in. So here's in the fender well, there's a 10mm bolt and 2 fasteners, one there and the next one up. These will give you enough access to peel back the fender well liner to get to the screw that you'll have to remove. Okay, now that you get the liner back, it's not the screw in front of you, it's the one that's hidden off to the right. Not this one, but there's another one, you can't really see it, back in here. That's the one you want. And they're both T25. Okay, so here you can see the Torx driver is going about the middle of the light where that little rectangle is in the center. That's what you're aiming for. Then you'll unplug and slide it forward to release it. And just reverse the process to install. Just make sure that when you slide this in, the 2 teeth in the front engage with the slots in the light itself. Okay, so here's the wire going under the mount and showing the position of the screw again. The wire position is what I screwed up the first time, so I had to take the thing apart again and thread it underneath. And just double checking to make sure the teeth are engaged and the whole thing is flush and lined up, and reinsert the screw. Oh, and don't forget to plug it in. So here's a before and after, and when they're lit up, they are daylight bright. At night, they're actually very reminiscent of the originals. So I don't think you lose visibility. Here it is in the daytime, a little bit of shade. In the Pisgah National Forest Gear Lab.